Alright guys, here's the WaveScan. This song is playing Cyndi Lauper's All Through the Night. It's a great, underrated song. I love it. And so, anyway. Apple. Wow, what's that? Let me go to the 10-day chart. Excuse me. 10-day chart. Okay. Something's wrong with this chart, but hey. There's no pattern to trade, so I'm not going to even look at it. AMAT. Still on my WaveScan list. I don't know what's here. But, that's not a pattern, not tradable. A lot of these guys. See, that's horrible. See, it's untradeable, but Amazon just, that's bad. Again, the long-term support is 0.618 is 20. It needs to hold that. Yeah, it's pretty far from here, but it's pretty bad. Some of these guys just look really bad. Broadcom still looks bad. There's no impulses so far. CMA. It's not an impulse. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Ceradyne. You know what? This looks tradable. I'm gonna gray it up a little bit. Okay. Wave 1, wave 2. See if it closes above 50. Let's see. I have a shot to as high as. Let's see. Okay. This is the most insane target. If it can close above 50, it has a shot at 52.85 approximately. Okay, bookmark Ceradyne. eBay. Okay, why? Some of this stuff shouldn't be. Actually, there's a lot of bad looking charts right now. eBay's chart not looking good. E-Trade. Okay, I don't know if that right there. I don't know if that's anything. It's taking a little too long. E-Trade, but if it does take out 2350, I'll still watch it. It's still watchable. GFI. Not out. Wait for GG. These guys move like 10% every 5 days. It's just. It reminds me of the Nasdaq 2000 when Ariba and Accelera and Terion. I don't think any of you guys were trading back then, but I've been trading since '98, around '98. I've been trading for about 10 years, 8 to 10 years, for a living. One thing I do for a living. All right, Goog. All right, Google's stuck on the floor. Gurman. Boom. You know what? See, I got squeezed here by GRMN because I was set up by something. But look at that, see? That's what should have happened. But of course they had to pull stops on me, you know? Look at that. That's what should have happened. But, I'm a short-term trader. So that Garmin short would have been perfect. It was I remember shorting it around 95.48. Look at that. Boom. But then we had to get that BS right here. We had to get the conspiracies. Alright, never. I'm gonna quit talking about that crap. Hansen. That could be wave 1, wave 2. Vaguely. I mean, it's got a size. It got a 10% move off the lows. Almost. Yeah, 10%. If it closes above 47, bookmark this one. 47. Hansen. Kaler 10 core. Yucky. Okay, it looks going up, quote unquote, but that's not an impulse. It's not an impulse. Ram research. Not even wave 4. Okay, poor Marvell. I don't know why I'm looking at this. Marvell is just sad. Okay, that's weird. Monster Worldwide. See, it's going up, quote unquote, but it's not a pattern. See, stuff can go up, but when it doesn't have a pattern, what happens is the reason why I emphasize the pattern so much is because if you buy a spike like this without a pattern, you're buying at the top. Usually. Okay, that's why I emphasize the pattern, because if you chase things that are going parabolically up with no set structure behind it, you have no idea what you're doing. You're just buying blindly. You have to find a underlying structure to trade. Because if you typically you buy a parabolic spike, you're like, it's going up, man, and then all of a sudden you're the guy at the very top, and you're looking down this big cliff, and you're like, wow, that's a far way down. See, when I was trading back in '98, I did that. I was a Mr. Parabolic guy. Anything going parabolic, I bought it. And typically, I was the guy at the very tip who bought it. So that's why I emphasize pattern, because I'm just saying it could go up, but if you don't have a pattern, there's no structure to trade with. Okay, Night. It's taking too long. It looks nice, but it's taking too long. Look at MySpace is moving up. It keeps going up. NWS. MySpace is having problems with their site right now. I mean, their LA, something shut down. Something broke down there. I think the traffic is just insane. But I'm a MySpace. I'm probably on there like all the time. It's my first page I log on to. Anyway, NYX. Ooh, There's the pattern break right there. Okay, I'm gonna watch that just in case. NYX. See, we had the pattern break right there. Boom. There's the wave one, and there's the pattern break. Okay, I'm gonna watch that one. Palm. Okay, it looks like it. No, I wouldn't. It's just a bad stock. Qualcomm, no pattern. That's like a wave four. Everything which looks like So I'm gonna take Red Hat off this list because every time it breaks a pattern, here's what happens. Okay, oh look, pattern break, yay! And then hey look, boom. See, it's like I'm gonna take it off the list because it's just untradeable. RIM. Okay, that could be watchable, but this area right here. Okay, that's gonna stop. It's gonna delay the momentum of the third wave. So this thing right here, you need a clean move, like you're not this crap. I'm gonna watch it now. Sandus. All right, let's see what's going on with Sandus. Oh, look at that. Hey, look, there's a pattern break. You know what? I don't. When you get a gap of that size, it's just not. I don't think that's a wave two. I mean, you can argue that's a wave two, but I don't think it's a wave two. I think it's like a wave four. I mean, from my history, from my experience, you get a gap up like this and you get a retracement. Typically, it's a wave four, and then you're buying a wave five, and you don't want to do that. So I'll watch it though. Okay, Mr. Volatile, probably the most volatile stocks of all time right now. It just moves crazy. Look at this. See, it's all over the place. Anyway, that's it. That's a wrap.